This could be the vehicle you're looking for. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Jimmy Granger Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 250 Highway 171 South, Stonewall, Louisiana 71078.